What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Philo. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn on your post notifications bell because you don't want to miss any of my videos. We are on the road to 80 subscribers, so subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. And turn on your post notifications bell because you don't want to miss any of my videos. In today's video, what we're going to be talking about, or what I'm going to be talking about, is I acknowledged Roman Reigns last video. In this video, I am going to acknowledge our new king. Hail King Woods! Hail King Woods! Hail King Woods! Hail King Woods! King Woods achieved his dreams as becoming king. Or I should say, Xavier Woods achieved his dream at Crown Jewel, beating Finn Balor the Prince to become our king. But unfortunately, on a SmackDown, Roman Reigns ruined it for King Woods because, as we all know, Roman is a savage, but Roman is our head of the table. And Roman is the SmackDown true king, but our King of the Ring and my favorite King of the Ring, Xavier Woods! Hail King Woods! Now let's see what he has done with the achievement of being king. He beat Finn Balor at Crown Jewel to become our king. After becoming king, he knighted Kofi Kingston, one of his best friends. Why do I say one? Because Big E is also a part of New Day, but they're both on different brands. But anyway, he knighted Kofi Kingston as Sir Kofi Kingston, the man that is the king's friend or king's guy. The king's guy, I'm gonna say. The king's guy. Because literally, Kofi Kingston is Xavier Woods' friend, and it makes sense. And ever since knighting Kofi Kingston as Sir Kofi Kingston got injured, and now he's out with an injury. But I hope he comes back soon, and I believe he's gonna come back soon. Now, other than knighting Kofi Kingston, what else has he done? He's been in an amazing feud with Roman Reigns, as I'm gonna say this. I believe WWE is pushing King Woods to his limits. Well, not to his limits, but I believe they are pushing King Woods to become our new Universal Champion and to beat Roman Reigns. Here's how I think it's gonna happen. King Woods is going to... Some of you guys are gonna like this, some of you guys are gonna not like this, and I might get hate for this, for saying this, but, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I believe that the Royal Rumble's coming up. I believe that Brock Lesnar versus Roman Reigns is going to happen again. So, at some point, it might be at day one, or it might be at the Royal Rumble. I'm not too sure, and it even might be at WrestleMania. But my theory here is, for the first time in his career, ever since achieving being king, he is going to become our 2022 Royal Rumble winner! And is going to head to WrestleMania! And his pick is, of course, going to be Roman Reigns. And he's going to go to WrestleMania. He's going to maybe beat Roman Reigns. Not even maybe. I'm going to say that King Woods is going to win the Royal Rumble next year, because we still have, it's not January yet. Win the Royal Rumble next year, and is going to go to WrestleMania, headline WrestleMania, choose Roman Reigns as his opponent, challenging him for the Universal Championship, and winning the Universal Championship! Yeah, I said it. And at that point, we are going to have the new Universal Champion, King Woods! Anyway, guys, comment down below what you guys think of today's video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But until then, comment down below what you guys think of King Woods' gimmick right now, and what they're doing with King Woods. And I'll see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace, love you guys.